Go to your CapCut and tap on New Project. On New Project, choose Photos. Add a background. Tap on Add. Now we want to input text and to make it move, to scale it and to rotate it. Tap on Text. Tap on Add Text. You write your text. Let's write keyframe. Tap on check mark. Now you can edit your text the way you want. Let's go to style. Then I love this. Check mark. Now to make your text move, your text having been highlighted, click on keyframe. Push your text towards left. Hit the keyframe again. Then move your text where you want it to move to. To rotate your text, select the text, go to Tools, and select Basic. Select Rotate. Push the value towards your right. You can see it is going around rotating. Then, when you are satisfied with its current position, you tap on check mark. Now, let us play what we have edited. Did you see? This is how you can use your keyframe to move your text. Now, to move image, to scale it or to rotate it, also use the same procedure which I have shown you earlier. Go to Overlay, Tools, tap it, Add Overlay. Go to Photos. Let's choose this image and add it. Tap on the keyframe icon. Push your image. Hit the keyframe again. Then let's go on Scale. Scale by going to the tools down there and choosing Basic. Tap on Scale. You can choose to scale out. Hit on check mark again. Push your image. Tap on keyframe again. This time around, let us scale in. Let's go to Basic. Hit on it. Still go on Scale. We scale it in. Hit on check mark. Let's play our video. Yes, this is the way you can make our image move and to scale it. Now to auto caption our video, go to New Projects, go to the video you want to auto caption, choose it, and click on text. Then at the toolbox, click on auto caption. Make sure it is selected on your preferred language, as I have selected English. Auto captions now are all on Pro. That's the way CapCut have made it. But when you look at mine, I still have some free ones due to I haven't updated my CapCut. So If you have updated and all you can see are pros, still hit on the pro and run this process, which I'm going to run now. After running it, screen record your video and edit it later. I am going to use the free one for this teaching. Number 1 is not under Pro. I will hit on it, tap on Generate. Our texts have been generated. We can go ahead to edit our text by going to Style. Put any style you like on your text and hit on check mark. Now let's play it. These 5 editing tricks will definitely level up your video. Yeah, if you feel that the texts are tiny, select it again and stretch it out. It is now a bit bold. Let's play it again. These 5 editing tricks will definitely level up the way you can add your video caption, even if you are a new starter. To add a cinematic black bar on your video, follow this process. Highlight your video. Go to the menu and look for mask. Tap on mask. Tap on mirror. Then what is a cinematic black bar? There are those 2 bars, one on top and the other at the bottom of your video. Now, let us stretch our video. When you look closely, you will see at the top of the video and at the bottom, there is a black bar on top of them. It makes your video quite attractive. When you have set it, use these 2 arrows that is pointing down, either to darken your video or to brighten it. When you push it up, your video will get brightened, but when you push it down, it will get darkened. I want my video to be bright. Then hit on check mark. You can see that black bars both on top and at the bottom of your video. This is the way to add your black bar. Let's put camera shake. Sometime when you are watching a video, there will be some portion that you will notice that camera is shaking. That video is shaking. We call it camera shake. To add it, follow this step. Select your video. At the 2 bar at the bottom, select Effects. Select Video Effects. Look at the various menu there. You can see shake. Tap on shake. These 5 editing tricks will definitely level up your video. Let us adjust it. Even if you are a new starter. Again, if you have found this video valuable, the value, let us bring down the value so that it can shake too much. These 5 editing tricks. Okay, I love it this way. These 5 editing tricks will definitely let's play our video. These 5 editing tricks will definitely level up our video has your started video, shaking. Even if you are a new starter. To add smooth and slow motion, go through this process. Tap on New Projects. Go to your videos. Add the clip that you want to work with. Tap Add. Now it's added. Select the video. Select speed. Select normal. The normal speed of a video is 1x, but now reduce it to about 0.3. Yeah, or 0.4. Anyhow here, tap your check mark. Let's play the video. You can see the slow motion. And this is the original motion. You can see the difference. So this is how you can add slow motion in your video. These 5 editing tricks will definitely level up your video, even if you are a new starter. If you have found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, also share and comment, and I'll get back to you for how you can scale up your YouTube channel. Watch out this clip.